So here we are with our room tour of cabin 8031, which is a obstructed view balcony stateroom on Queen Mary 2.
Do come in to this very spacious area.
Hello dear,
Hello.
Nice to see you. Yes, it is quite spacious, isn't it? There aren't many cabins that you could pass by each other on the way in.
No, this is, we noticed
Spread
it
your
immediately.
arms out, spread your arms out. There. So it's actually quite wide, isn't it?
It is, very wide. And it hasn't detracted from the depth of the cupboards and the wardrobes.
No, it's quite noticeable. I think it may have made the bathroom slightly narrower. Not sure. Anyway, let's begin. So, as usual, back of the door we've got our safety information in multiple languages as well, which is slightly different.
The usual make up my stateroom.
The usual make up my stateroom.
And this is very important.
Well, we haven't used it yet.
We haven't, but we will be. Breakfast in bed, which does include a hot breakfast, full fried breakfast you can have. Eggs your way, all sorts of bacon and everything. So we will be trying that in a couple of days' time.
And it's all inclusive.
Yeah.
Which is good.
Really good.
On the left hand side we've got the air conditioning. As you can see, it's not quite on cold, but lovely. Watch your step, because there is a raised threshold going into the bathroom. Yeah. So should we do the bathroom now?
Yeah.
Your area of expertise, Lindsay.
Just to let you know, it's American switches.
Oh, so the switches are upside down.
They're upside down. So you get a nice bathrobe.
Yeah.
It's very nice, comfy.
Nice and warm, isn't it, when you've been in the shower?
And at first glance, we thought that this was a little bit squished.
Yeah.
But actually,
it's not when you use it, is it?
It's not, no.
No.
The shower is very roomy. And of course, you've got the
shower curtain
that everybody hates. The shower is very good. The water is really hot, isn't it? You've got to be very careful not to burn yourself.
Well, it's adjustable. I had a job to get it hot initially, but once I found that you had to turn it past the stop, it was a lot better.
It was very good though.
Yeah.
And then of course you've got the Quercus shampoo and the shower gel.
Do you want to get in a minute, because it is quite big, isn't it? Just jump in.
You're not going to switch it on, are you?
No, I'm not going to switch it on, but I'm just showing, like,
you've got
there's quite a lot of space in here.
Even for my big
your beautiful self.
Yeah. And you've got the little washing line, the obligatory washing line up there.
Lovely.
You're not going to shut the curtain on me, are you?
No. It's all tiled. Nice big mirror there. And
very nice to have soap dishes.
Soap dishes, yeah.
So if you're bringing your own soap, you've got that. And you've got the Quercus liquid soap. That's really nice to use.
You have. And the shelving. And what have we got here?
Oh, you've got cotton buds and things for you, obviously, for when you're taking your makeup off.
I don't wear makeup that often.
No, it shows.
No.
So you've got the hand and body lotion as well. For
have you tried that yet?
No, I don't need to. I've got a beautiful complexion.
Oh, okay. Now, you've got storage under here as well, haven't you?
Oh yeah, that's a rubbish bin.
Rubbish bin.
There you've got storage on both sides.
Both sides.
So, you know, you can really stock that up.
Yeah, and easy to use, functional toilet, ashtray.
Yeah, I know. The Cunard ashtray.
The towel rails, they haven't been sort of put back together again since we showered, but yeah. And spare toilet roll as well, and a toilet roll holder.
That's in the right place.
That you can actually reach quite easily.
Absolutely.
But just be careful to pick your foot up when you come out and don't fall over.
Pick me foot up.
Pick your foot up.
So then I suppose we ought to go straight on to the
wardrobes. Yeah.
So we have nice big wardrobe there. The only thing is that there weren't hangers to go in that side, but we've got hangers anyways from home, so we use that. That's quite nice because it means that you can spread out some of your jackets and things.
Yeah.
It's quite nice there.
Yep. And what have we got?
A small cupboard there with the life jackets. Nice
a large safe.
Yeah, a large safe, isn't it?
Good size safe.
And as you can see, we're not here for terribly long, so we have spare shelves.
And 4 drawers.
4 drawers, yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
quite nice.
Yeah, even those aren't completely full.
Oh,
Oh look, one's completely empty.
yep. But all good. Nice wood as well. Isn't it?
Yeah. Most of our stuff
Yep.
is in here.
Yeah.
So plenty of room at the top. As you can see, we've put our
Coats.
really heavy winter jackets up there.
Yeah.
So plenty of room for, and lengthwise, plenty of length for long dresses and
But that
and
is
things
a
like that.
problem that you've had in the past, isn't
With-
it?
with some of them,
On
they-
Iona, was it?
Yeah,
Where they weren't long enough and the dresses got creased because they didn't have a long enough
Yeah.
drop to fall completely.
so that's really useful.
Yeah.
Now
We're on to the now
we
what
have
we
a
have
connecting door,
we have a connecting door.
and there's been a lot of discussion about connecting rooms. When you have them, when you're not connected to the cabin next door, and whether you get a lot of noise. We haven't noticed a lot of noise
No,
from them.
nothing at all.
More noise from the corridor, actually.
Yeah, yeah. So that's been good. So we have here bedside lamp and a bedside cupboard. Nice sized bedside cupboard.
Yep. That was not working.
Yes, it is. You just didn't leave it long enough. It's a bit slow.
Oh,
There
sorry.
you go. See, it's a bit
It's your
slow.
side of the bed, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a bit slow. It's mine. But no USB charging sockets and no power sockets close to the bed for anyone wishing to charge a phone or anything like that. You have to do it a little way away. Come in. The bed. Your out. Outlook on the bed, dear.
It's lovely. It's not princess comfy, but it is very comfy to sleep in. I find it very easy to sleep in it. I suppose I sleep most places. But yeah, it's very comfortable. The linen is really nice.
Yes, it is.
Very clean.
And look, you've even got the little
gold stripe.
gold stripe along the edge of it,
Yeah.
and those beautiful dark blue cushions, navy blue cushions
Yeah.
that really set it off, don't they?
Mm.
And then the other side, you've got another cupboard
Sofa.
there, like that, with a lamp. And we've got a sofa here, which is really nice to sit on. You've got your hat off your coat there, dear.
Yes, I know.
So that's nice. A little table that goes up and down, apparently. Haven't sussed it out because we haven't needed to yet. And then we come on to the desk area. I always find it quite strange why they have telephones on a desk area rather than next to the bed, especially if you're using the phone as an alarm.
There's no room there to put a phone.
Why? No, there isn't, because the lamps are screwed on the top, aren't they?
Yeah.
But I always think that the place for the phone should be next to the bed if you're using it as an alarm as well.
Your side.
Pardon?
Your side of the bed.
Well, I'm not really worried. It doesn't really bother me. But yeah. And
You've got a little drawer here.
yeah, empty.
Not very deep, but it's enough to put a few bits and bobs in.
Yep.
And we've got a drawer here. Oh,
Hairdryer.
stash of biscuits. Now, why would that be there?
I don't know. Something
And,
to do with you.
and there's another tiny little drawer here.
Oh yeah. Haven't used that one. And we've got
Very importantly, a fridge,
a fridge with a bottle in and 2 glasses.
which we haven't used yet.
No, chilling down nicely. And tea and coffee making facilities, of course, that we haven't used. And you have an array of sockets. Now over here we've got 2 US sockets, and then over here we have 2 UK sockets and 2 more US sockets. And we were talking to people yesterday who had a problem with their UK sockets. I mean, as you can see, these are actually fitted upside down. They had a problem that theirs were fitted the right way up, and when they were trying to plug in their chargers, because they were coming out the bottom like this, they couldn't actually use them. So they were going down to ask reception what they could do about it, weren't they?
I think they were going to try and get a different
Yeah.
adapter.
Yeah. So we've got a nice sized television over here. Oh, let there be light. A nice sized television. The television is not bad. It's not as good as Princess and the newer P&O ships for choice of films
No,
and
but
things.
it's good enough for
But it's good
watching
enough. I
something.
mean, we're not on here for long anyway, so it doesn't matter. So, do you want to take us out to our obstructed view balcony?
I ought to put my thermals on again for this, didn't I?
Well, you're not going to be out there long, are you?
So we have And we talk about the balcony and the state of the balcony in one of our other videos. But we're just here doing the tour, so this is just a basic tour. So this is how wide the balcony is.
Deep balcony.
Really nice.
Lots of room.
And I have to say that if the sun was round this way, even with the obstruction of the light boat there, you would still actually get sun there.
I mean, you might think it's strange, why did you book an obstructed balcony? But it's 2 degrees outside here at the moment, and it's not going to be any warmer, and that's why we thought, because we like the benefits of the extra design of the room, and why pay extra money for a balcony that you're never going to use in this time of year?
No, you might come out here, as I say, if it was sunny, you would get sun in on this room, even with the obstruction there. And that would be quite nice to even come out here and have a cup of coffee.
Yeah. But it is a large balcony.
But it is a nice, roomy area.
Yeah, got your little table and your 2 chairs.
Yeah, just enough to have some glue perhaps.
And you don't have a sliding door.
No.
You have a door that wants to close itself all the time. So it's a lovely little room. The space that you've got when you come in is noticeably bigger. Very comfortable. And yeah, we've been very happy here, haven't we?
Yeah, it's very comfortable.
Yeah, very comfortable. So I'll just leave you with a little swing round in our room and that lovely bed that Lindsey has difficulties in getting out of. So if you found this room tour helpful to you of our obstructed balcony stateroom, perhaps you'd like to subscribe to the channel so you get to see more in future.
Why not hit the notification bell so that you get notified when we upload another video?
Oh, and if you have enjoyed it and found it useful, hit the like button as well. It costs you nothing but really helps the channel grow. Thank you.